Introducing LeadsZora 2.0, the latest evolution in lead generation technology designed to elevate your business. With a sleek, user-friendly interface and powerful tools, LeadsZora 2.0 streamlines your marketing efforts and maximizes your results with ease and efficiency. LeadsZora 2.0 offers advanced targeting options, real-time analytics, and seamless integration with your existing CRM systems. Its automated lead nurturing workflows ensure you engage prospects at the right moment. Plus, intuitive dashboards give you full control over campaigns, making data-driven decisions simpler than ever. Choosing LeadsZora 2.0 means faster lead conversion, improved customer insights, and increased ROI. It's built for businesses that demand reliability and innovation. Experience smarter marketing with LeadsZora 2.0, your partner for growth in a competitive market. Elevate your strategy today.